Hey gang, it's Sue, and I wanted to show you how to get past a glitch that Facebook is having. So let me show you what that is. So I went to go attach a show to Post My Party, and I had to contact Post My Party and ask them how to do it. So they have this little blurb here, which I will screenshot and put in as well. But I figured I'd show you since I have another one I still need to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the actual party that you want to add Post My Party to. And hold on, I'm going to search it. And what you're going to do is when you go to normally add Post My Party, as long as you've invited, you have your business profile and then you have your personal profile and you've made your personal profile an admin, it used to just work. You would scroll down to the bottom. You would go to group settings, you would scroll down here, and then you would hit an app, right? Just like this. And then you say add an app. And what's happening is you're getting this reload page. So you click this, and then you quickly run over to the side and you click business and pages. And then you do Post My Party with no spaces in it, and you're able to add it on. I don't know, they did a get around the glitch. So I hope this helps you guys. Have a good day.